Let me introduce you this site today. So first we log in. We continue with our Google Mail. We press continue. And now we are in. Notice that I have 300 credits. Let's try the video generator using Seedance 2.0. Now we upload the reference image and put the prompt. Notice that I am using now Kling 3.0 Omni model. I'll try to generate video 1080 with 10 seconds and the ratio of 9/16. It costs me 90 credits. I press generate, and after waiting like 5 minutes, I got this video. Now we'll try to upload the reference image again and put the same prompt, but now we are using Seedance 2.0. I'll put it on 720p and generate the same length, 10 seconds, and put it on mobile ratio, which is 9/16. You notice that it used 180 credits to generate this video. We press on generate, and after some waiting, now we have the full video. Okay, if you want to remove the watermark, I have full tutorial on that on my other video. I'll put the link up above on the right. Now I download it, and as you can see, it's on my PC now. If you like my video and felt that I helped you, please subscribe to my channel and check my other videos.